Hi, this is Haipingguang. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Windows virtual machine in Ubuntu computer and install the MT4 in the Windows virtual machine. The product owner and the mentor for this project is Dr. Masu Sajadi. So to set up a Windows virtual machine, we need two tools. One is VirtualBox. We need to go to VirtualBox website and find the version we use to our computer system. In my case, I install this Ubuntu 18.04. So I have installed this virtual machine as right here. And second thing we need is disk image file, which we can find it from the Microsoft website, and we pick the correct version and install it. I have installed it under the VirtualBox directory as right here. So now we are good to set up the Windows virtual machine. We're gonna create a new Windows virtual machine and set a name as 10 new. And if you want, you can make the memory size a little bit larger as you want. And we're not gonna change it. And the VirtualBox disk image is correct. And we gonna, yeah, the Windows 10 new virtual machine has been created. Then we're gonna go to the setting and change the disk file, which is the one we just downloaded, and click OK. Then we start to set up our Windows. The process will take a few minutes, so I'm gonna just show you the one I have installed before. So this will be the Windows you're gonna have after you set up your Windows virtual machine. Then we're gonna go to install this MT4 for Forex. Make sure you download the correct MT4 platform under the Forex. And we're gonna download this MT4 and run it. Yes. And it will be installed in here. So we have the Forex platform and MT4 installed in our computer. So since I have used this Forex before, I have all the information. So after we install it, all the information will be reloaded. So if you don't have a demo account, you can go to the file, click open account, pick a server, choose new demo account, and put your information and create a demo account. After you create a demo account, you are free to use this platform. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding to the above installation of MT4, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.